we look at concept, call it as a principle of superposition. So the same concept what we used yesterday, the principle of superposition. So the gravitational field between this point and m1 is gm1 divided by r1 square, and E is equals to this m2 and P is gm2 divided by r2 square. So just now we studied E is equals to what is the formula? G into everybody m divided by r square. Am I right or wrong? Speak loudly, guys. That's all it is. So point mass. So I apply this concept. So if I find it and if I add it both, that's all it is. Both are equal. So that is what. So if you add it individually, that is what we can make it. Okay, everybody clear, guys?
Sir, G into M1 into P will not come out, sir.
No, P. Only what they're asking, Rudreswar, the point, this P is experiencing due to these both masses. Do you understand? P won't come. Do you understand? Before what you have done, you see that. The force experienced, the field due to point mass M, which we got it was what? Field due to point mass M, we got it G into capital M divided by R square. So small m not came. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, same way, when field due to a capital M, what we got it? E equals to small G into small m square. So capital M gone. So now they are asking gravitational field on this point P due to M1. Understanding? Sorry, M1 due to the P. So what will happen? So total gravitational field of P is equals to, so P, the force of attraction between the P and M1 and P and M2. If you add both, that is what you will get. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is what. Clear? Anything doubt you can ask me. Understand, Amma, girls? Everybody?
Yes.
Yes. So please make sure you have to work. Anything doubt you can ask me. Mr. Rohit, Mr. Rishi, understand? Narayan, Murali?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now you can see next concept. Again, you have to use mathematics. Let me take, this is one of the popular sum from H.C. Verma. So H.C. Verma basically likes equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle means you immediately have to say that all the angles are what? Everybody? All the angles are what? Equal.
60.
Each angle is how much? Each angle is how much?
60.
Yeah. So that is what you have to remember. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. So now you can see that. So let me take the distance between them is A and A equilateral triangle. Now the question is to you is, find the gravitational field at the center. Let me take that point is X and find the gravitational field at this point, exactly midpoint of this one. That is what point is. So that is the question. Find the gravitational field at the X point. Find the gravitational field at the Y point. This is what such a beautiful question it is. You can see that. So now, so at the point X, it is acting 3 different directions. Am I right or wrong? It will experiences by the point. What is the points it will experiences? Everybody. It will experiences by the m1 mass. Let me take this is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. So whatever it is the masses. So this is what will happen, everybody. It will also experience it. It will also experience it and it will also experience it. So totally, let me take this is E1, this is E2 and this is E3. So the gravitational field experience at the point X, I will say is that, which is equals to what? Just now we have studied. 3 points means E1 plus, next what happened? E2 plus, next what will happen? E3. So that is what at the X. But how much it is, we have to find it. So let us see how to find it now. So I will say at point X, the gravitational field at center, that is what point X is equals to 0. So how, sir? Let me explain. You people cannot be, but I will say you. So I will say you E1 plus E2 plus E3 is equals to 0. Sir, how, sir, means? Observe very carefully. So it is actually right angle triangle. Sorry, it is the equilateral triangle. Again, equilateral triangle. If I take a midpoint and if I join this, yes, Rudreswar, you tell me what is this angle will become, everyone? You also tell me. This angle will become 30 degrees and this is 1. Then what is this angle? Anybody can tell? Yes, please.
120.
120 degrees. Understand, Laksha? Yes, understand, Rudreswar? So that is what. Let me take that point now. So this point, if I take, you can observe very carefully. This is 1 and this is the another one, and this is the another one. So what is the angle here, everybody? What is the angle here? Yes, please, all of you. What is the angle here? 120. Am I right or wrong? Then what is this angle? This angle will become 60, and this angle will become also what? 60. Correct or not? So 60, and this is the resultant now. So resultant means x-axis. X-axis, what will happen, everybody? This will become what? E cos 60, and this one will become what? E sin. E sin 60. Next, this one. This one also will become what? This will become E cos 60, and this one will become what, everybody? E sin 60. See that both are equal and opposite. So that what will happen? Both will happen equal and opposite. It will become what? Speak loudly. 0. Understanding? Then this is E. So this E is equals to what? Everybody check it. This E is equals to what is that? This E is equals
E
to
cos 60 plus
2E. 2 times correct, brother. This plus this. This side one and this side one. 2 is coming correct. So 2E cos 60. Will you all agree with me? Everybody? So 2E into cos 60. 2 times of cos 60. So cos 60 value how much, Ra? Cos 60 value how much? 1 by 2. So E. So E and E both will become equal. So this side also will get cancelled. So what is the total gravitational potential at the X point? Everybody? Total gravitational at the X point, which is equals how much, guys?
0.
That is what you have to remember. Understand, Ara? Rudresh and Narayan? Clear, Narayan? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Clear, Narayan?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt you can ask. Now, X point I have taught you. Now, Y point, can you guess it? What will happen? Y point. Check it, everybody. So before going to Y point, I am saying you remaining thing. You take any, note the point. You take any symmetrical object, rectangular, triangular, or you take anything, circle, or a ring, or whatever it is. At the center of mass, always E is equals to what, everybody? At the center of mass, E is equals to what, everyone? Please respond. 0. So please note it that very any symmetry shape you can take it at the center of mass, E become 0. That's what you have to remember. Okay, Ra? Girls, everybody? Yeah. Any doubt you can ask. Clear? So now we want to find at point Y, we have to find it now. So let me take this mass is M1. Sorry, this mass is 2, and this mass is, this is 2, and this is 3. Now we have to find at this point. This is what point actually? Everybody? Yes, please. What point?
Y.
Y point. So Y point is exactly middle. Means this and this is both are equal. So that both will get cancelled out. Am I right or wrong? Everybody? And one and only thing is acting this one. That is what is actually E3. So let me take that E3, how much it is. So E3, which is acting by the third body. So both will cancel because it is equal distance and opposite side. So then what will happen? EY is equals to E1 plus E2 plus E3. E1 and E2 both will become what? Everybody? 0. Why? Both are equal and opposite. Understand? So then EY is equals to capital G into small m divided by R square. Now if you observe very carefully. So right angle triangle. Can you tell me, Rudreswar and Pradosh, everybody, height we have to calculate. This is what? H or R. R I want to calculate. This is the Y point and this is the M. So R is equals to what is the formula? We all knows height of the triangle. R is equals to A root 3 by 2. Sir, how, sir? Let us see. So this angle is how much, Ra? Narayan? What is this angle? 60 degrees. Then if I apply rule, this is what will happen. This will become what? A cos 60 and perpendicular one. This will become what? A sin 60. So this is only the A. So this is parallel shift. So here it will become what? A sin 60. That's all. So A into sin 60 value how much, Ra? A into sin 60 value how much? Root 3 by 2. You don't know what I can do. That's all. So that is how it will come R. So that's all you can substitute it. So G into small m divided by R value is A root 3 divided by whole square, which is equals to GM divided by A square 3 divided by 4. So 4 will come 4 into capital G into small m divided by 3A square. This is the answer. I hope you all understand. Anybody having doubt, you can ask me. Are you clear, guys? Everybody? Understand this one? Pradosh? Yes, that is what. So anything doubt, you can ask me. Clear, Rudreswar?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is what is about it. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Do it. Kadri, clear, Kadri? Manu and Samya, what you are doing also, I don't know. But I'm thinking you people are working. I want to know the truth. Mr. Rishi, Pradeep, Narayan. Understand, Narayan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I will teach you. I will give you the question. You all try. If you try this one, I will make it. So this concept, 9th class, those who are my old students, I have taught you. Let me take this mass is capital M. This mass is capital M. And another mass is 4 times of capital M. And the distance between them is 9 centimeters. How many centimeters, Pradosh? 9 centimeters. So definitely, if they're having a equal mass, exactly at the center, the force of the E become minimum. That's what you remember solenoid case. When you are keep on moving at the corners, the force of attraction increases. At the exactly center, the force of attraction is minimum. 9th, 10th class we studied, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is the same thing. So this body will exert force in this direction, and this body will exert the force in this direction. And somewhere the force of attraction become what? If it is equal mass, force of attraction exactly become middle. What will become? It will become 0. Am I right or wrong? But actually, this is greater mass. So who will experience more force of attraction? 4m or m? 4m or m? Who will experience more force of attraction? Who will exert more force of attraction? 4m or m? Who will experience more force of exerting more force of attraction? Everybody? Who will exert more force of attraction? 4m or m? That is what is my question.
4M.
4m will exert more force of attraction compared to the m because greater mass. Mass increases, definitely force of attraction also increases. But if they are having equal mass exactly at the midpoint, where approximately 4.5 centimeter, if it is equal mass, exactly at the middle, the gravitational field will become 0. Am I right or wrong? Everybody agree with me, Pradosh? Do you understand it? Are you clear? Now, this is actually greater mass. So this force of attraction is somewhere acting up to this point. Let me take at this point, it will become 0. And this force of attraction is acting like this. So this force of attraction will be like this. And this force of attraction is like this. Somewhere at the point where gravitational field at this point will become 0 from m mass and 4m mass. Now our duty is to find at what distance from the small m or what distance from the 4m. That is what you have to calculate. If this is the x, then this will become what? Everybody speak loudly. This will become 9 by x. Understanding? So we all know if it is the same. So EP is equals to E1 plus E2. So if it is equals to 0, it is equals to 0 means what? Everybody. E1 is equals to minus E2. Am I right or wrong? Will you all agree with me? Everybody speak loudly. So that is what equal and opposite. Then only it will become 0. So use this concept. E1 is equals to E2. Then you can see force of attraction become 0 at that point. So use this formula and this formula, even between the point and m, even between the point and 4m, equate them. When you finish it, you will get the answer. So that's all. Calculate the x. You have to calculate the x. So x is equals to option A, 2 centimeter, option B, 3 centimeter, option C, 5 centimeter, and option D is 3 by 2 centimeter. You solve this question, you will get it. Let me finish it. Why we need to waste time? So if I have taken E1 is equals to what, Rudreswar? GM divided by x square, because x is equals to, next one is what? G4M divided by what? Everybody, 9 minus x whole square. Will you all agree with me, Pradosh? Understanding, this is m mass and
Yes,
this is P point x, and this is P point and this is 9 minus x 4m mass. So that's all it is. So this is equals to this is. That's all. If you equate it, both are equal. Now GM will get cancelled. Now what is happening? This will come this side. I'll write 9 minus x whole. divided by x whole square is equals to 4. Will you all agree with me, everybody? Do the square on both the sides. So what will happen? Square root, if you'll get, make it. So I'm making square root on both the sides. Square root and root will get cancelled. 2 square will get it plus or minus 2. So which is equals to 9 minus x divided by x. So take it as a positive always. Don't take it as a negative. So x. So 9 minus x is equals to 2x. Why you should take negative? If you take negative, it will be, you can experience it. 9 minus x is equals to 2x. 9 is equals to 3x. X is equals to 9 by 3, which is equals to 3 centimeters. So from the m mass, how many centimeters it is becoming 0? Everybody? Electric field will become 0. Yes, please. At 3 centimeters. From the 4m mass, how many? From the 4m mass, how much is remaining? From the 4m mass, how much is remaining? 9 minus x, which is equals how much? 6 meters. You understand, everybody? So that is what is the where gravitational field becomes 0 between the two masses. That is what you have to find it. Okay. So now, if I take negative, so what will happen? You can see 9 minus x is x equals to minus 2. 9 minus x is equals to minus 2x. 9 is equals to minus x. So my x is equals to what, everybody? Minus 9. X equals to minus 9 means you see that already distance between them is 9 centimeters. Now x is equals to acting actually after this at this point, and this is acting at this point. So is it possible? This is E by small m and this is E by 4m. Exactly opposite direction. Is it possible where EB will become 0? No, it is not possible. Somewhere middle only the gravitational potential, gravitational field will become 0 between them. So that is why negative you should not take. Always you have to consider what, Pradosh? You have to consider positive. If you consider positive, at how many centimeters it is becoming 0? Gravitational field, everybody? Yes, please. Gravitational field becomes 0 at what? At 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. But actually midpoint is what actually? Midpoint is a what? How many centimeters? Esra? Midpoint is how many centimeters? Exactly at 4.5 centimeters. Total is how much? 9 centimeters. So if they're equal mass, at this point, EP is equals to 0. When? Equal mass. Keep it in mind. It is unequal mass, so that this body having greater mass, so that greater force of attraction. That is what you have to remember. Anything doubt, you can ask me. Are you clear, Pradosh, Rudreswa?
Sir.
So that is what. So you have to solve very carefully, understand the question and make it. Understand, Narayan, Kadri? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So anything doubt, you can ask me. Yesterday's Laksha and whomever absent, I will upload the videos by tomorrow. Mostly we have to complete it. Okay, Laksha. So this is what is about the gravitational field concept. So only condition you remember, you have to take extremely smaller mass. So gravitational field is equals to force experienced by divided by mass, where limit tends to m is extremely small, minute. So that is what is actually the definition of gravitational field. E is equals to F by M. That's all. So concept, if you understand, is very easy to solve. Then tomorrow we'll continue this and we'll try to finish this chapter as early as possible. Okay, everybody. I hope you all understand for your term 1 exam, entire volume 1. Am I right, Rudreswa?
Sure.
We 100% will finish it. Don't worry. But I hope you are able to